Hi guys, my name is Susu Visuals and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I greet you specially. So I want to do something different. I got a message from a friend this morning. He asked me if we could go to the pool together today. I'm like, wow, that's an interesting thing to do today. Today is Sunday, and sometimes you need to soak your body in the water just to get refreshed and get ready for the new week. So I didn't even waste time. I said, yeah, I'm up. After I've responded to the message, so I'm just like, okay, I think I should document it. Yeah, that's why we're here. Please stay with me and let's dive into the water together. So guys, it's about time to leave the house, and I feel like I should just tell you guys things that you will need anytime you feel like going to the pool. Firstly, you need your swimming glasses. By the time you finish swimming, your hands, your body, everything will be white. So you need your hand cream, you need your body cream, you need your lip gloss if you are comfortable using lip gloss, you need your towel, you need your shorts. Cannot use the same boxer you've been wearing since morning and use to enter pool, I beg you. And you need a bag to pack all of these things. And let me just show you. Let me show you guys. And my friend promised to be here by 1 o'clock, so he's going to be picking me up at the bus stop. I'm going to be showing you right from my house to where we're going to. So I'm going to be giving you the location, the price, and everything I think you all should know about the pool. Please stay with me. Have fun now. You'll see yourself on my channel. For my YouTube. To locate this pool, find your way to Bagada. For those coming to Bagada for the first time, ask of where Deeper Life Church is. From there, you will navigate your way to the pool. From Deeper Life Church, you will need to enter Sholui and drive down. I think it will be easy and smooth if you are driving. Just put the address on your map. Immediately you get to Bagada. Number 1, Owambo Brown Street, Bagada, Lagos, and leave the rest to Google Map to handle. But be careful because sometimes Google Map can be so funny. Finally, here we are, BloomGrey swimming pool. Let me pretend as if this was my first time here and check out the environment. They charge 2,000 naira per person. Affordable, right?
You are welcome to BloomGrey swimming pool. Yeah, we have fun, do all kind of varieties.
Okay, so
We're located at Bagada, Sholui, Bagada.
people don't plenty for here. We're not expecting to meet this much people here, but it be like say each one keep people for household. That's why they're here. Let me just show you around.
The pool has shallow area for the amateurs from 6 feet to 10 feet for those that want to show off their swimming skills. Their dressing room isn't bad but not the best. You can either take your shower inside the dressing room or outside.
Yes,
this depends on your energy. My friend and I met a guy who taught us how to dive. Now, rate my diving skills. I haven't been to the pool in 3 months and my body felt off. I struggled to float for a minute because my muscles had to readjust. Swimming is like learning Arabic. If you stop practicing it, it becomes challenging and you have to start from scratch. My friend was also able to catch up with some of the tips the guy taught us. We met some amazing people at the pool. Personally, I love the clean environment, which was one of the reasons I enjoyed coming here, along with its convenient location near my house. The water is clean and environment is well maintained too. If you are around Oronshoki, Ifako, Bariga and Bagada, you can always visit BloomGrey swimming pool, but the best time to visit the pool is around 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you get there around 2 p.m., the crowd might make you change your mind.
Maybe you call me when I waka.
I want to do video. I didn't say to dive.
I only ask question if you want to dive or not.
I'm not dying. I'm not diving.
Show us skills now.
Wait, my first follow this girl first. Senior man come up for here now. Who dey follow it? I dey talk in the bounce. How did you your shoulder?
We spent about 4 hours at the pool. I noticed the crowd has picked up and I was getting tired, so I signaled to my friend that it was time to head home. It was great hanging out with Ini. Honestly, I wouldn't have thought of going to the pool alone unless I'm traveling or working. I would usually rather be at home watching YouTube videos or sleeping. Ini, when I started doing this, I really enjoyed it. Guys, feel free to share your swimming experiences in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.
We spent time here. You want it, Sha? It's Monday now, tomorrow. What? So please guys, before we go, please, if you are new here and you are not subscribed yet, please, God, I beg, let me hit that subscribe button. I beg, hit that subscribe button, subscribe and like this video, and you can as well check my page, my channel, for some of my interesting videos that I've made. I know you love me and I love you too.